Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Goodness Annie. I'm so happy that you clicked on my video and you're most welcome. Today, I'll be showing you guys how to make this super moisturizing and nourishing hairspray. This is super simple and easy to make, and it takes a very short time. We'll be using three herbs for this recipe. If you're interested, then do well to watch till the end. Like, don't skip any second of this video so that you can get value from it. Here are the video chapters, and without wasting much time, let's get right into it. Okay guys, as you must have guessed, the first herb that I'll be using for this spray is the hibiscus flower. Hibiscus is a flower and it's super nutritious. In my country, when it's dried, it's used for zobo drink, which is a super nutritious drink. Um, Raw hibiscus contains some carbohydrates, calcium, potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B, magnesium, and so many other nutrients. When added to the hair, hibiscus would stimulate hair growth, nourish the hair, condition the hair, prevent hair fall, and it will add so many other benefits to the hair. The second herb we'll be adding is cloves. Cloves contain carbohydrates, calcium, magnesium, manganese, potassium, sodium, vitamin K, fiber, and so many other nutrients that our hair needs to grow and be healthy. Cloves are known for repairing hair shaft, strengthening the hair, improving blood circulation, eliminating dandruff, preventing premature graying, and so many other benefits that your hair craves. Cloves are the other ingredients that will add to our zobo drink here in Nigeria, and it's really nourishing for your health, but it also works a lot for your hair. And now to my personal favorite, rosemary. I really like rosemary. I like the herb. Okay, we've known rosemary for its flavor and its scent in foods, but it really works great for your hair. Rosemary contains iron, calcium, magnesium, vitamin B6, and rosemary nourishes the hair and scalp, promotes hair growth, improves blood circulation, and does so many wonders to your hair. Okay, now moving on to the process. The first thing you'll be needing is a non-stick pot. Make sure to use a non-stick pot. Now we're going to add 2 glasses of water. I'm using 2 of these glasses of water, so depends on your own personal preference. Now your spray is going to be having a pinkish reddish look like this one because of the hibiscus. We're boiling this for 20 minutes. So now we are turning up the heat. Make sure to lower your cooker though, so because you don't want your spray to burn. Okay. Check your timer. It's 10 minutes later, and I'm checking on my spray because I don't want it to burn. We don't want to be using burnt spray on our hair. So not cool. 20 minutes later, and our spray is ready. So now get yourself a glass bowl like this one, or an aluminium bowl, something that is not plastic bowl. Okay, you also want to get a cloth that you use for straining. I'm using a wig cap because it's tight and it's able to do the job. I've been mentioning Zobo drink. If you're not Nigerian, this is what Zobo drink looks like. And right now, I feel like drinking this one. Now we strain. Trust me when I say that your hair will love this. It's super nutritious. I mean, we added three potent herbs together to form this spray. Trust me. So instead of moisturizing your hair with just water, you're moisturizing your hair with a nutritious spray. Think about it. How good is that? For me, I feel like the only side effect for this spray is the fact that it stains. Hibiscus stains, and but it's really not harmful. Okay, it's really not harmful for your hair. It's a natural herb, so you can use it. Don't focus on the fact that it stains. Focus on what it can do for your hair. And for people that feel like hibiscus or cloves tends to dry out their hair, I would say immediately you moisturize with this spray, go ahead and add oil to your hair so your hair doesn't break. So now we are going to transfer to a spray bottle, and this is how we are going to store it. So this spray can last you for a week. I would say after a week, it should not be more than a week, okay? Don't use for more than a week, except you are storing inside your fridge. You can use this hairspray 2 to 3 times a week for better results. Use it for moisturizing your hair, spray it all around your edges, spray it all around your scalp and your strands, and you would begin to see the results of this spray on your hair. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. We have come to the end of this video. I enjoyed making this one. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please do like to like this video if you gained something from it. Comment down below what you learned today. Share with your friends and your families. People might need this, and yeah, subscribe if you haven't. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.